Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's topic is prepositions in French. So let's get started. Prepositions are small words that show the relationship between things. For example, in, on, under, with, and between. For example, le livre est sur la table. In French, on est sur. Here are some important prepositions. À means at or to. Dans means in or inside. Sur means on. Sous means under. Devant means in front of. Derrière means behind. Entre means between. Avec means with. Sans means without. Chez means at someone's place. Près de means near. Loin de means far from. Let's look at the most common prepositions. À, which means at or to, is used for places, cities, and destinations. For example, je vais à Paris. Il est à l'école. Dans means in or inside. It is used for something inside a place. For example, le chat est dans la boîte. Je suis dans la chambre. Sur, which means on, is used when something is on top of another thing. For example, le livre est sur la table. Le téléphone est sur le lit. Sous means under. For example, le sac est sous la chaise. Le chien dort sous la table. Devant means in front of. For example, la voiture est devant la maison. Il attend devant l'école. Derrière means behind. For example, le jardin est derrière la maison. Le chat est derrière la porte. Entre means in between. For example, le ballon est entre les chaises. Elle est assise entre Marie et Paul. Avec means with. Some examples are: je vais au marché avec ma mère. Il joue avec ses amis. Sans means without. For example, il part sans son sac. Je bois du café sans sucre. Chez, which means at someone's place, is commonly used in French. For example, je vais chez le médecin. Nous sommes chez Marie. Now I have a picture quiz for you all. Look at the picture and tell which sentence is true. The first sentence is Le chat est dans la boîte. The second sentence is Le chat est sur la boîte. The third sentence is Le chat est devant la boîte. Take your time and think which sentence is true for this picture. Option 1 is correct. The first sentence is Le chat est sous la boîte. The second sentence is Le chat est sur la boîte. The third sentence is Le chat est derrière la boîte. Option 2 is true. The first sentence is Le chat est sur la table. The second sentence is Le chat est devant la table. The third sentence is Le chat est sous la table. Option 3 is true. The first option is Le chat est derrière la boîte. The second option is Le chat est sur la boîte. The third option is Le chat est devant la boîte. The third option is true. The first sentence is Le chat est derrière la boîte. The second option is Le chat est devant la boîte. The third option is Le chat est sur la boîte. Option 1 is true. Next, I have a practice exercise for you. Translate. The pen is on the table. Translate this sentence into French. Le stylo est sur la table. The dog is under the chair. Translate the sentence into French. Le chien est sous la chaise. The school is behind the park. Translate the sentence into French. L'école est derrière le parc. I am with my friend. Translate this sentence into French. Je suis avec mon ami. We are at Paul's house. Translate this sentence into French. Nous sommes chez Paul. Now I have a mini quiz. Let's solve it together. Le livre est dash la table. Here are your options. Option A is dans. Option B is sur. And the correct option is option B, sur. Je vais dash Paris. Here are your options. Option A is à. Option B is avec. And the correct option is option A, à. Le chien est dash la chaise. Here are your options. Option A is dans. Option B is sur. And the correct option is option B, sous. Next exercise is match the preposition. Match the French word with its English meaning. Sur in English means on. Sous in English means under. Derrière in English means behind. Entre in English means between. Now I have a comment challenge for you all. You have to write one sentence in the comment section below with any of these prepositions. Au revoir, bye, merci, see you in the next video and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Au revoir, bye.